Welcome to this walkthrough of Debo, a lightweight and modular infrastructure management system written in C, inspired by Apache Ambari. Debo brings a simplified and highly flexible approach to managing both single-node and multi-node environments. In this video, we'll explore Debo's architecture, its components, and why it could be a game-changer for system administrators working with distributed computing platforms like Hadoop. Let's start with the basics. What is Debo? At its core, Debo is a tool designed to manage and monitor computing infrastructure. While it shares similarities with Apache Ambari in purpose, Debo sets itself apart through a more streamlined architecture, written entirely in C, allowing for performance, portability, and simplicity. It's ideal for environments where you need quick deployment and low overhead. Debo was designed with a few guiding principles in mind. First, it must be modular and scalable, capable of adapting to different setups from local environments to full-blown clusters. Second, the Debo server can operate independently, even on a single machine, making it perfect for developers or standalone nodes. And third, the agent is designed to be reactive, not proactive. This minimizes network noise and security concerns. Here's a high-level view of Debo's architecture. On the left, we have the Debo server acting as the central orchestrator. It communicates with one or more Debo agents, which are installed on managed nodes. The key thing to notice is the direction of communication. The server initiates all interactions. Agents simply wait, listen, and respond. This makes them lightweight and less intrusive, which is ideal for distributed environments. Let's dive into the project structure. The source code is divided into two main directories. The server/folder contains all the orchestration logic, along with both CLI and GUI interfaces. The agent/folder contains the logic for the listening and execution mechanisms on each node. This separation of concerns makes the codebase cleaner and more maintainable. The Debo server plays a central role. It serves as the control tower, sending out commands, gathering results, and updating the user through a command line or graphical interface. What makes it unique is its ability to operate completely standalone. You can install it on a single machine and use it to manage local services without needing a cluster. This versatility opens up a lot of use cases. Now let's look at the agent. Each Debo agent is installed on a target node, whether that's a VM, a server, or a container. Unlike more complex systems that require agents to frequently check in or push logs, Debo agents remain passive. They wait for instructions from the server, carry out the command like starting a service or collecting metrics, and return the result. That's it. This design keeps resource usage minimal. Debo's communication model is both secure and efficient. It uses a reactive model, meaning the server initiates all communication. This approach enhances security since agents don't have to open outgoing connections or maintain constant contact with the server. This model also gives you greater control and transparency over what's happening on each node and when. Here's how Debo stacks up against Apache Ambari. While Ambari is a comprehensive tool for managing large Hadoop ecosystems, it can be bulky and complex. Debo, by contrast, is lightweight and written in C, giving it an edge in performance and portability. Debo agents are reactive, whereas Ambari uses active polling. Also, Debo can run standalone on a single machine, which Ambari cannot. This makes Debo better suited for developers, testers, and lightweight production environments. There are many practical scenarios where Debo shines. You can use it on your development machine to test service orchestration. In production, it can manage cluster nodes efficiently with minimal footprint. It's also a good fit for cloud environments, where agility and low resource use are key. Whether you need to monitor, control, or troubleshoot, Debo gives you a solid, simple toolset. Security and extensibility are also key strengths. Because agents don't initiate connections, it's easier to control and audit communication. The protocol is simple and can be wrapped in TLS for secure data transfer. And since Debo is written in C, it's easy to extend whether you want to add new management commands, integrate with other tools, or optimize for your own environment. Looking ahead, there are exciting plans for Debo. Future versions may include a REST API, making it easier to integrate with web dashboards. The GUI will get enhancements to improve usability. There are also plans for a plugin system, so developers can create custom handlers or monitoring plugins. And of course, support for role-based access control will add another layer of security and flexibility. In summary, Debo is a focused, efficient tool for managing distributed infrastructure. With a clean architecture, powerful command dispatch model, and minimal setup requirements, it strikes a great balance between control and simplicity. Whether you're a sysadmin, a developer, or a researcher, Debo has something to offer. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, suggestions, or want to contribute to the project, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Stay tuned for future updates and hands-on setup tutorials.